Descript and Veed are two popular video editing platforms used by creators to produce high-quality content. To determine which one is the best video editor, we need to compare their features, pricing, and user experience. First, let's look at Descript, a powerful video editing software that offers advanced features such as automatic transcription, screen recording, and multi-track editing. Descript is ideal for podcasters, videocasters, and marketers who need to create engaging content quickly. It also offers a range of templates and presets to help users get started. On the other hand, Veed is a cloud-based video editing platform that offers a range of tools and features to help users create stunning videos. Veed offers a user-friendly interface, drag-and-drop functionality, and a range of templates and presets. It also offers advanced features such as color correction, audio editing, and visual effects. In terms of pricing, Descript offers a range of plans, including a free plan, a pro plan, and a business plan. The pro plan costs around $12 per month, while the business plan costs around $24 per month. Veed also offers a range of plans, including a free plan, a pro plan, and a business plan. The pro plan costs around $12 per month, while the business plan costs around $20 per month. When it comes to user experience, both Descript and Veed offer intuitive interfaces that are easy to navigate. However, Descript is more geared towards advanced users who need to create complex content, while Veed is more geared towards beginners who need to create simple videos. In conclusion, the best video editor between Descript and Veed depends on the user's needs and preferences. If you're a podcaster or videocaster who needs to create complex content, Descript may be the better choice. However, if you're a beginner who needs to create simple videos, Veed may be the better choice. Ultimately, the key to choosing the best video editor is to consider your specific needs and choose the platform that offers the features and functionality you need to create high-quality content.